So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Hacktify Diaries where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hackings and much more. So guys, as usual, the way we are talk about certifications like CEH, EGPTs or like now I have completed my CRTOs and other new certification. So if you are interested in red teaming certification and if you are looking for any red teaming certifications like CRTO, CRTA or CRTP like Certified Red Team Professional or Certified Red Team Operator, if you're looking for it or if you're planning to do it for your red teaming certification jobs, then definitely I can help you out. But again, I'm gonna cover some very important points for those who are preparing for their CH. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, like if you're new to my channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe and just hit the bell icon, so whenever I will upload any latest videos you will get a notification quickly. Okay, so let's start about now. So guys, in this video we're gonna as I told you, I'm gonna cover some important points for CEH version 13 which comes with AI. Okay, artificial intelligence. So first of all guys, those who have doubt like if there is a big change happened in the CH version 13 with due to AI, so let me make sure you clear guys that it is not a complete truth. You will not gonna see any changes in the modules. Like there are 20 modules as usual, like system hackings, then steganographics, then IoT devices, web hackings, enumeration, footprinting, reconnaissance, mobile device IoT, all are same. Okay, the AI part which is added you will learn in some between of videos. Okay, it's not a complete course or it's not a complete AI certification. There is not a big change has been made because I have gone through with the CH version 13 modules also. I saw that what I'm experienced, what I feel that it's not a complete change. So like if you are thinking like there is a big change, so no guys. So don't worry about that. Now let's talk about some important points. So what you need to be prepare yourself. Okay, what are the things? What are the important thing you need to prepare before going to the exams? Okay, I'm not gonna give you any like direct hints, but because what are the important thing which you can focus on. Okay, if you are preparing for the practical exam, so first of all you should good with your enumerations. Okay, until unless you don't know which tools and how to perform the enumeration, how to gather the information, performing footprinting, reconnaissance, information gathering, you will not be able to perform any attack. So make sure you should have a good knowledge in reconnaissance enumeration. Basically it means like collecting the data about your target passively actively. Try to collect the data about your target passively, because if you try to go for the actively or like active attacks, chances are there that if the firewall or the WAF is enabled, it will detect your block and immediately it will gonna block your IP, and then in that situation it will gonna take you a lot of time to finish that stuff. Okay, so whenever you are doing any enumerations or whenever you are doing any penetration testing, so always make sure go for the passive attack first of all to gain as much as information possible about the target. So whenever you do like that, so in the passive basically you do not interact with the target directly. Okay, you try to collect information from the web source, from the social medias, or from like tools like weaponizers and retire.js to check what are the outdated components are available, or what are the libraries, what are the technologies which is used, what are the CMS has been used. You can use that to gather the information about your target passively. Once you will get all the information, then you can hit the target directly if you have a correct details. Okay, so first of all, as I told you, you need to be good with your enumeration skills. Then second thing, you should have a good knowledge with Nmap, Burp Suite, then WPS scans, all this thing. Then the second part which comes if you're preparing for the CH practical exams, which will be you should be good with hands-on. Like you should know about malware analysis, you should know about steganography techniques, what is steganography, what is the use of steganography, how attackers take the advantage of this by hiding the details inside the image or inside the PDF. So you should good with your steganography technique. Then you should also know how to perform the network penetration testing with the help of Nmap, how you can actually monitor the networks with the help of Wireshark, what are the traffics going in and out coming. All these things you should know, you should good with your this. Apart from that, you should good with your you can also say web exploitations. If you don't know about that, you can just go and read some about like top 10 OWASP vulnerability. And really, if you really want to clear this exam, I should recommend you go and do the practice on Try Hack Me, Hack the Box. These platforms are freely available to do the practice, and it will gonna enhance your skills. Also it will gonna help you to gain hands-on experience with multiple tools. See you will also learn like CLI as well as GUI based attacks. Okay, So what are the important thing which I told you? You should be good hands on with your enumerations, footprinting, reconnaissance. You should be good hands on with your web exploitations. You should have a good knowledge of Nmap, Burp Suite, weaponizers, Wiresharks, Burp Suite, all these things. You should be good hands on with your reverse engineering, malware analysis. I'm not telling you like you should be a pro in this, but if you want to clear your exam, you should be good hands. You should be good like in all these things, and these all are available already in the AC Council's video sections. When you will do the study, when you will purchase the materials, and when you will start the study, you will see whatever I have told you. It is already mentioned in the videos. Okay, so you can just go through properly, watch the videos, make your notes, make your own custom notes, and do the practice and follow whatever I told you. Good hands on with the web applications, wireless attacks. Then you should be good hands on with the steganography techniques. Okay, these all are the things which should be very important, and you should focus on all this, which will gonna help you definitely to clear your exam. But I'm not giving you guarantee, but I'm just telling you that if you're doing all these things, if you're following my path, whatever I'm telling you, definitely it will gonna help you in the exam somewhere, that you already did the practice and you are familiar with this environments. Okay, so like Nmap, there is already, if you don't know about the Kali Linux, so Kali Linux basically is a Debian based distro which used by many penetration testers or ethical hackers, or as well as used by bad hackers also. Okay, so all these tools like reconnaissance, in the reconnaissance you will see like Dirbuster is there for searching for the hidden directories, Burp Suite for the web application testings, or like you can also see like platform for security testing of the web application. Dirbuster again, it's come for the directory busting booster. Then for same, it will gonna do Gobuster. All these tools do same for you. Nmap basically is a tool, network mapping tool, which will gonna help you to perform the network scanning, like port scanning, open ports, closed ports, what are the services, what are the version are going on. Then Zenmap is basically the GUI version of the Nmap. You can go for this, like if I'll click on this and if I'll just press the password, so you can see, if you don't know, if you are not familiar with the command line, then you can go for the CLI version also, like ping scan, quick scan, quick scan plus, then intent scan, which will gonna help you to find out the complete detail about your target. Okay, so be good with your all these tools. All these tools are freely available, all these are open source. You don't need to pay anything for all this, but you should have a good knowledge like reconnaissance, initial access, executions, persistence. Basically everyone know what about persistence. If you are taking if you are cracked or if you compromise any system, then you should have a good knowledge also to persistence means indirectly, if you want to say, a good for a longer time. Okay, if you compromise the machine, then you have a capability, or you should have abilities or like skills to compromise that machines, or like take the access of that machine for a longer period of a time. Then privilege escalations, after gaining the local access, then performing the privilege escalation like with the help of the linpace, space, unix, then winpace basically used for the windows and linpace used for the linux. Then all this clang. Okay, apart from this, msfno to create a payloads, like msf basically, and hydra is there to crack the password. Then John to crack the hash passwords. Medusa is same, and crack, netaxe, ops, crack word list. You can generate your word list with the help of this. Okay, forensic tools, so we are not going to focus on the forensic because it will cover in the CHFI, certified hacking forensic investigation. If you are interested in the like forensic teams, then you can go for the CHFI, but if you are interested in the penetration VAPT teams, then it definitely I'm going to recommend you to go for the CEH practical exams. Okay, which will gonna definitely help you to gain to gain a reputational industry reputations. Apart from that, you will learn a lot of things. Okay, so hope you guys understand my points. What are the things I've told you, what are the important points you should focus on, or that also I told you. And if you are a beginner in the cyber security and we really want to make your career in this, don't focus about what are other telling. Don't google it, a lot of videos on YouTube or a lot of videos of different people, because everyone have their own mentality. Everyone teach like based in basis on their own mentality. So if you'll watch 10 videos for CH practical, you will get confused which video should you follow, and you will quit the job of cybersecurity. So make sure, try to make your own notes, try to do googles, learn by yourself, take the help of the chat GPT, try to understand what are the things you are learning. You should actually understand what are exactly you are doing. Okay, so if you are following someone, just follow that guy. Don't like go for the multiple options. Okay, if you go for the multiple options, your mind will go for the multiple options and you will get confused, and chances are 100% that you will quit the cyber security, which will be bad for you. Okay, and don't come by saying money. If you are thinking that in the cyber security there is a lot of money, then yes, there is a lot of money. But if you only saying that there is a lot of money, that's why you coming, then right now I'm telling you, don't go for the cybersecurity. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoy this video, you learned something, you got something important points to prepare for your CH practical exam. If you are getting stuck, then you can comment me and I'm gonna try to help you out. But if you want training, or if you want like something like study materials or something like that, if you want one-on-one session with me like for the preparations, then it's a chargeable. Please guys, don't come to me directly by telling, bro, can you give me some material, can you give me some lab access. It's paid, brother, because I also paid a huge amount to clear my CH, and right now I am holding my CH, EGPT, CPENT, CRTO, CRTA and other certifications in the red teaming also. So in the beginning only, as I told you, if you are interested, you can connect with me. So as of now, thank you, we'll meet in the another video. Till then, bye guys.